These stockmanship and stewardship events are supported by the checkoff-funded Beef Quality Assurance Program, and the BQA principles form the foundation for all of the lessons. Libby Bigler, the BQA Coordinator for the state of Colorado, organized the regional event held at Colorado State University. She told Cattlemen to Cattlemen that good stockmanship and BQA are closely connected.
The Beef Quality Assurance Program and Stockmanship and Stewardship really go hand in hand. Stockmanship is all about how we care for our animals, things like low-stress cattle handling, just understanding how cattle think and those kind of things. And if we can understand that and handle cattle in that manner, we're going to help reduce bruising, we're going to help reduce stress, and stress obviously reduces immune function. And then as those things compile, we have more issues with quality. And so if we can start the foundation with good stockmanship, we're not going to have to worry about those BQA topics as much down the road. And so they really, really do work hand in hand.